All right, hi guys, good morning. Welcome to this week's Trade of the Week Club. Today is Monday, the 12th, November 2018, and we are going to be taking a look at four pairs this week. I'm looking at the dollar, so I look at the US dollar index for many reasons. All right, right now I'm seeing the dollar is up at an area of potential resistance. So, my game plan for the dollar this week is simple. If the market holds here, I'm going to expect this dollar to start waving down, and I am going to be looking to sell the US dollar. The reason why I'm looking at the dollar is because the dollar controls a lot of other crosses. So, for instance, if the dollar is going to be going down, then the US CAD should fall, the US dollar JPY should fall, the Aussie US dollar should go up, New Zealand US dollar should go up, pound US dollar, euro US dollar should also go up if the dollar falls. All right. If, however, the dollar breaks this area of resistance, then we should see a push. We should get some exhaustion, or the market should pull back, and then we should see a continuation based on what the market does. Now, I am watching this right now. I am leaning, I'm seeing this big bear crown here, but I'm also seeing the market still making higher highs and higher lows coming from up here with this uptrend line. So this is still a higher high and higher low. So I think this here is the decision point for the dollar, and based on what the dollar does here, that will determine what happens next, guys. All right, so we do have a crown. Let me show you all the crown. We have a big king's crown right here on the dollar, and we're at that right tip now for those of y'all who trade or can identify these patterns. So this could potentially be the start of the fall we were looking for with the dollar. But if the market closes above here and holds above 12,297, then we should see the market take out the high, making a higher high, and we'd be looking at an area somewhere up here with 13,000 in target. All right, guys, so I'm monitoring the dollar this week to see what it does, and based on what the dollar does, I'll know how to trade. Now, taking this into consideration, the dollar and gold are correlated. So that's why you see I always trade gold, I always watch gold. And if you watch, gold does have a down ABCD with a target down here at 1150.98. But there's also a bullish swing in play with a target up here at 1247.91. So based on what this market does, right here, this is where we're going to be looking for in terms of game plan. We're at the area now where if I could get some bullish formation on gold, I want to buy gold up to 1247.91. If, however, gold breaks below this trend line, below this area here, because you see we broke out of the pennant, right? So we broke out, come back to test the back, and we should go up. However, if it comes back down below here, I would want some exhaustion. I'd want a pullback, and then I'll be looking to go down to 1150.51, around to that area down here, guys. All right, so that's what I'll be looking to do if gold does give us that entry. So either way, we have a plan for gold, either bullish and we go up, or bearish. Now, this will be determined on what the dollar does. If the dollar holds where it is and starts falling, gold is going to go up. Gold is going to hold here as well, and it's going to go up. And that's why I like these pairs at certain areas like this. Because right here, I could watch the dollar and I could watch gold, and I can make a proper decision based on what the dollar does. That gold is going to go up or gold is going to go down, guys. All right. So that's gold. The US dollar JPY, again, I'm continuing with my bullish pattern on this. But again, as I said, the dollar is going to control this as well. Remember, we were buying from down here last week. We took profit on this. And now that we're back up at these highs, I think we might see maybe one more push up to this high here. Or this area right here might hold, and we might see the market falling. But if we had to continue buying, we need the dollar to go up, and if the dollar goes up, the JPY, the US dollar JPY should go up as well. And then, all right, we should get a exhaustion, the market should pull back, and then we should be looking to go up. So I want to buy above 114.51. I want the market to close above there, give me a nice little pullback, and then I want to buy above 114.51 all the way to 116.293. So that's what I'll be looking to do for the dollar. If the dollar holds here, then we should see bearish down to this trend line here again. If we break that trend line, then we might see some further bearish movement. So that's what we might see happening right now, guys. I'm still thinking bullish on the US dollar JPY, but we do have to close above 114.51. That resistance area we have to close above. CAD JPY for this week. So I am bullish CAD JPY. That's my long term. However, the market kind of started going sideways on us. All right. So we had last day, we have a bearish close candle, a confirmed bearish candle, breaking an inner trend line. When the market breaks the inner trend line, it should go to the outer trend line. Not only that, but also that aligns with this area here where these lows are forming of support. So for now, I want to be short-term bearish on the CAD JPY down to about, this is what, 85.30 around there. Let me just verify. Yeah, around 85.30. We should be bearish up to there, down to there, sorry. And then the market would either go up and stay in the consolidation, or we would see a breakout bullish. So again, bearish down to here. I want to buy here again for the CAD JPY once this holds, and the market should go up. If it happens to break out of this consolidation, I want to buy the pullback or the test, right? And then the market will continue to go up, guys. So that is what I'm looking to do with the CAD JPY. I'm looking for this market to basically fall first, and then I want confirmation. I don't want to just enter the market. So we might be bearish for, and this is what happens. This is what I like about trading. Some people would be watching this and say, you know what, we're bullish, we should never be looking to sell. And I like that about trading because I've been trading for the past 10 years, guys. And I've seen a lot of situations where I have one opinion and somebody else has another opinion, and we're both right. My sell trade right here is my short-term move, which I'm expecting maybe by the end of this week, maybe even the next couple of days, the market should come down here. But after that, I am expecting a bullish move, which is the long-term move. So we could both be right. We're looking at the same chart, but from different perspectives. So as you basically look to sell, right down to here, then we should be looking to buy once this holds. And that's what I like about these plans. As I tell you all, I make it super simple with the Trade of the Week Club. You're basically just going to be following the pink lines. If we hold here, our stop is going to be right below this area here. And our target should be back up to resistance, not up to this area here as yet. I see a lot of traders make that mistake because they're going to try to trade all the way back up to here. But to get up to there, we have to overcome this area that has been pushing the market down, 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 down. So if I'm buying here, I could only responsibly buy up to that area here, which is going to be resistance. If we break through that resistance, then we could start taking on a longer term setup where the market could be going after the B high at 89.20. All right, guys, so that's what I'll be looking to do for the CAD JPY. So just to recap, I'm monitoring the dollar because the dollar is going to control the US dollar JPY, the US dollar CAD, Aussie US dollar, New Zealand US dollar, Euro and Pound US dollar. So if the dollar holds here and starts to fall, those pairs are going to move accordingly. If the dollar breaks above this area, we are going to go up, get a retest, and that's where we want to buy and start buying the dollar. Gold, again, is in that area just like the dollar where it could hold. If gold holds here, we are going to see a push up to 1247.91. If it does not hold, we'd be looking to sell. We'd be looking for a sell, but we do just want to sell the break. Let the market pull, let it push, let it get exhausted. When it pulls back, and we get that confirmation here, that's where we want to enter selling the market all the way down to that target, guys. All right, so again, I just want to let you all know that's what I'm looking at for the week. If it's your first time joining us, feel free to look at the videos from last week and you could see the results that we have been having. I am going to be doing a recap on Friday, please God, where we normally recap the performance for the week, guys. Also, if you haven't as yet, make sure and get your spot in the Trade of the Week Club Challenge, guys. I want to be clear. I want you all to understand that I'm doing this to make sure that it is free for you all, guys. You do have to pay to enroll, but the cost of the challenge you do get back once you are able to make the deposit, guys. I am going to give everybody that does qualify a deposit bonus, guys, back in your trading account so that the program is free. So in other words, the 5 days of trading is going to be free. The 5 days of live trading, the 5 days of education, the 2 weeks of the Trade of the Week Club, where I'm going to be giving you these videos telling you exactly what to do, all the giveaways and the grand prize you are going to get access to as part of the program, guys. So if you didn't get your spot already, make sure and get your spot. To do that, simply go to www.beasttradingchallenge.com, secure your spot. The spots are not lasting, guys. The spots are going fast because the program becomes free to you guys. So make sure and get your spot today. That's it for today. Have a good week. Take a look at these pairs for the week, and I will see you all on Friday, please God, with the next live where we're going to recap what happened over this week. Have a good day.